We are learning the new sound a. When we say a, our lip edges, corner edges should be go back. A. A. Everyone say it. Azmi, don't play. Say a. A. Speak up. A. A. Very good. Very good, Miftah. Very good. Um, who is speaking? Abbas, open your camera. Anusha,
Share the
open your
screen, miss. Share the screen.
open your camera. A. Say A. 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 It's a A. It's a sound A. Which sound is that? A.
A.
Speak up.
A.
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 And the letter
A.
is
E.
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 Letter is
E.
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 Sound is
E.
A. Letter is E. Sound is A. Speak up. मैंने आप सबको अनम्यूट इसीलिए किया है कि आप सब मेरे साथ पढ़ेंगे. Sound is A. A.
A. A.
Is E.
Letter is E. Letter is E. Letter is E.
Now, first of all, we can read the vocabulary of A sound. Okay?
Which vocabularies start from the S sound? We will learn it. Abrish, sit proper now. Don't look here and there. Only screen. Look out the screen, everyone. The sound is A and the letter of E. The letter of E.
Now look at the vocabularies. E is for ear. Everyone touch your ear. E is for ear. Everyone
Ear.
touch it. Ear.
Ear. Ear. Touch your ear. Ear. E is
Touch
for
it.
ear.
E is for
ear.
8. Number 8.
The number 8.
8.
Number 8. The beginning sound of 8 is A. 8.
Some students
E
are
is for
not learning.
8.
मैं देख रही हूँ वो पढ़ भी नहीं रहे. They
E
are
is
doing
for
something.
8. E is for 8. Ear.
Dayan, what are you doing?
8.
Azmir, stop playing. Look at the screen. If you are not willing to learn, so you can go to the class. But don't disturb the class, बेटे. आप play करे चली जा रहे हैं, आपकी वजह से class disturb हो रही है, दूसरे babies disturb हो रहे हैं. Look at the screen properly. And read the vocabulary. Yes. Another vocabulary is E is for envelope. E is for envelope. E is for envelope. Now, the next vocabulary is E is for elf. E is for elf. E is for elf. E is for eraser. E is for eraser. E is for eraser. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. E is for eye. E is for eye. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for 11. It's a number 11. 1 and 1 makes 11. E is for 11. E is for
11.
11. E is for elbow. Where is our elbow? In our hand. Everyone show your elbow. E is for elbow. Show your elbow. Where is your elbow? Everyone show your elbow. Here is it. We are having the elbow on our hand. Yes. Everyone show it. Hassan बेटे आपका face ही नहीं नजर आ रहा मुझे. Come to the screen. Yes. Shayan, show your elbow. Again you are playing. Show your elbow. Miftah, show your elbow. Where is your elbow? Miftah. Miftah is still, I think.
He's not in the camera.
Now, next. E is for easel. E is for easel. E is for easel. And E is for elephant. Who has the big ears? E is for elephant. E is for elephant. And E is for Aram. E is for Aram. Okay, again read it. E is for ear. E is for ear. E is for 8. E is for 8. E is for envelope. E is for envelope. E is for elf. E is for elf. E is for eraser. E is for eraser. E is for eagle. E is for eagle. E is for eye. E is for eye. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for 11. E is for 11. E is for elbow. E is for elbow. E is for easel. E is for easel. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. So different vocabulary of E sound, E letter, we read it. Can anyone tell me the another vocabulary which comes from the A sound? If you know, raise your hand, then I will unmute you. It should be start from the A sound. Who is telling to me?
E
No
is
one?
for eggplant.
Okay, I will unmute Miftah. But
Eggplant.
Miftah की screen नजर नहीं आ रही हमें. Any problem मिफ्ता? आप कैमरे में ऑन होते हैं तो आपकी वॉइस चली जाती है. जब आपकी वॉइस आती है तो आप कैमरे में ऑन नहीं होते. कोई प्रॉब्लम है बेटे? It's okay. You can give the answer. You know any vocabulary?
E is for eggplant. E is for engine. E is for engine. And the third one, we are live on that planet. Start from the S sound. Earth.
Planet
E is for Earth.
E is for Earth. Very nice, Miss Ashi. We can clap for Miss Ashi. She gave the answer. Mifta, your voice in video is not appear, bete. Both the things are not appear. If you are having any problem, so you can rejoin again. Okay? So we start our work. Open the worksheet pack. The page number, I think. Page number 8. Page number 8. The sound A is written over there. A. Open everyone. And on this page, we are tracing with the color pencil. So you bring your any color pencil which you like most. कोई सी भी एक color pencil आप use करें जो आपको पसंद है. ठीक है? Now we can start tracing. We start from downside here. Go straight forward and turn like a car. Go after tracing the upper one, you can trace the down one. Go straight forward, turn like a car. Okay? Hassan, do it, beti. Open your worksheet pack. Page number 8. Why you are sitting? Do the work with the teacher. When you are writing, say it. A. Which sound you are writing? A. Go straight forward. Turn like a car. Go straight forward. Turn like a car. Go straight forward. Turn like a car. Go straight forward, turn like a car. It's a A. Which sound you are tracing? A. Which sound you are tracing? A. Very good, everyone. Everyone is writing proper in manner. Hassan, still you are not writing. Where is your worksheet, bete?
Take your back. When you draw it, sitting here at I have a dog. I have.
Very good. Shayan Heather, you did it. Now turn your worksheet. After this page, turn it. And I will also share the screen. Wait. After finishing that page, page number 8, open page number 18. It's next to A sound. We just wait for the azan.
Dolly, Dolly, here I am, here I am. Dolly, Dolly, where I going, where I going, where I going, I going, I going. La 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 la.
Yes. Now after tracing the sound A, you come to the next worksheet. It has both letter and sound. First you trace 2 times letter and then write 3 times sound. Letter. And after that, you can trace sound 2 times and write 3 times by yourself. Okay? Now look at the screen. The upper one is classwork and the lower one is homework. E is for emo. Emo is a bird which belongs to the duck family. Come down, go forward from the down, go forward from the up, and go forward little in the center. Come down, go forward the down, go forward to the up, and go forward in the center. Come down, go forward to the down, go forward to the up, and go forward to the center. You can write it 3 times by yourself. Letter E, okay?
Good
Write by yourself letter E, and 3 times you can write sound. अच्छा मेरा थोड़ा सा कलर फिल सा हो रहा है because I am writing in the screen. ठीक है, लेकिन you have to trace proper and it should be start from the center of the line. Go forward, make a round like a car. Go forward, make a round like a car. It's a A. It's a A. किसी भी बच्चे ने मुझे साउंड बोल के नहीं सुनाया. मैंने किसी की आवाज नहीं सुनी लिखते हुए. And you forgot. We have to read and write. We have to read and write. First हम read करते हैं और फिर हम write करते हैं. ठीक है ना? So everyone read and write. A. E. A. E. A. Upper one is classwork and downside is homework. ये वाला जो है वो classwork है. You have to mention. I request to all mother, please mention kha and wa in upside. And date, and you have to mention the high and wine downside. It's a high and wine. And date as well. Today is 3rd December. 3rd मेरी स्क्रीन पे आपको थोड़ा बिग नजर आ रहा होगा क्योंकि आई एम राइटिंग ऑन स्क्रीन बट यू हैव टू राइट इट इनसाइड द वर्कशीट स्मॉल. 2020. Okay. चलिए अब सब जल्दी जल्दी से सब अपना काम करके मुझे दिखाएं. Then we go forward to the next word. Yes. Why you are doing the blue color on the emo? Huh? It should be peach or pink. Emo it should be peach or pink. According to this birds and animal, you can use the color. It's okay. अब आपने कर दिया कोई बात नहीं है. लेकिन जो downside homework वाला है, you can do the peach or pink. If you have peach, so you can do the pink. If you have a pink, so you can do the pink color. Okay?
I thought you might.
पिंक होता है देखा मैं वी के पास.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. सॉरी मुझे पता
It's okay बेटे अब आपने कर लिया ना क्योंकि कलर इरेज करने से भी वो अपने इम्पैक्ट छोड़
गंदा हो जाएगा.
क्लीन नहीं होते.
कल
It's okay. मोहम्मद अली गाजी, open your camera बेटे. Complete the classwork and show me quick.
बस हो गया. बस ठीक है. हाय.
Hassan, where are you? Abrish, I am not watching you. Fix your camera. Very nice, Miftah. Now do the color of the picture. If you have pink, so you can do the pink color. If you have peach, you can do the peach. Okay, which sound you are writing? Eh. Which sound you are writing? Eh.
मैं लूंगा अभी कुछ कर ले ओए तो दे नीचे दे
Hassan, why you are talking a lot? Do. Umar, also do the coloring on the picture.
अभी नहीं मैंने क्लास
Wrongly.
में मिस्टर
Purple and green.
दे दिया
The pink or peach. Choose the color according to the skin. Okay. Hassan, what's happening? Hassan,
अरे ये पहले क्लास में नीचे को कैसे जाए
एक बात ये सही
आई एम नॉट शोइंग यू
do work.
क्या है नहीं ये
कैपिक
Okay, finish. Show me your work. Now, fastly, you can open your copy. I watch you. Worksheet word. Close the worksheet. Open your little in the little copy मेरी आवाज आ रही है मुझे इसलिए आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही कि सारे बच्चों को मैंने अनम्यूट जो कर दिया yes Abrish very nice good job but you didn't do the coloring on the picture na Azmeer where are you bete Umar Danish, your screen is not appear. Now look at the copy page. Open your copy. In your copy, there is a sound and letter E and A. It's all prepared for you. आपके लिए teacher ने prepare करके आपको दी है. Lines are drawing over there. Okay. Now we start writing in the copy as well. Everyone open the copy and show to me. सब दिखाएं मुझे कि सबकी copy खुल गई है कि नहीं. Yes.
फिर आप इसको इतना खराब कर देते हैं
Now let's start. ठीक है ना अब हम लिखना शुरू करते हैं. When we are writing in the copy, we follow the lines. Okay? Whenever we are writing any letter, A till Z, कोई सा भी letter जब हम लिखते हैं, we start from the red line and finish to the second blue line. जब हम कोई भी letter लिखेंगे, हम कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? Red line से start करेंगे and finish करेंगे second blue line पे. All the letters A till Z. Okay? So first we start the letter E. We are making a straight line. It's very light.
स्ट्रेट लाइन
कोई dark color choose कर लूं ताकि आपको नजर आए. Come straight. Go forward from the downside. Go forward from the upper side. And go forward from the center. It's a E. It's very easy. You are able to write it by yourself. और मैं देख रही हूँ कि कौन सा बेबी है जो खुद से लिख रहा है और कौन सा बेबी है जो खुद से नहीं लिख रहा. Come down straight, go forward from the downside, go forward from the upside, go forward from the center. Write it by yourself. Did you see the screen? आपको screen पे भी नजर आ रहा है ना? It's a E. It's a E. First you write all E in the first line and second line. After that we can write the sound E. And before writing we can read the formation as well. So first we finish with E, then we go to the
कंप्लीट कर लो सारा फिर होगा.
Very nice. Well done. Umar, bete, you placed the copy wrongly. Keep the copy straight. Yes. This is the right position. Kya hua, Azmeer? What happening? Write it fast, fast, fast. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi.
Miss Iram, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
आपकी आवाज clear नहीं है Miss Iram.
Muhammad Ali Ghazi, where are you, bete? Open your camera. आपकी ना screen आ रही है ना ही voice. Muhammad Ali Ghazi. Yes. After writing E, we go forward to the A sound. Okay? We will write the A as well. The screen. Look at this page. The formation of A is pasted in your copy. A is make an eye and turn around. A is make an eye and turn around. And how you make an eye? Look at the copy as well. Which color are you? In between two blue lines, keep the pencil in the center of the blue lines. Go forward, make a round like a car. And it should be, I think मेरा नीचे आ गया. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा लिखूंगी तभी वो I think सही आएगा. Go forward Make a round. Right. It should be in between two blue lines. It should be in between two blue lines. Okay?
Can you please use some other color? It is not visible.
Okay. I will use the bright red color. Okay, now look at this. Go forward. Make a round like a cup. Go forward. Make a round like a cup. Go forward. Make a round like a cup. And you focus it. It should be in between two blue lines. Most of the sounds written in between two blue lines. Okay, so you have to follow this. All the letters should start from the red line, but some sounds in between blue lines and some sounds are started with the red lines. Please show your work.
Teacher done.
Show me.
Teacher, I'm in the.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Today Azmeer is going to be first. है ना भाई? शयान भी finish करने ही वाले हैं. Just last one is left. Okay, Mifta ने भी done कर लिया भाई. Very nice. Abrish, you left. Now after that, we can make
Good job, Azmeer.
an interleaf page. Very nice, Azmeer. Well done. हसान आपने कोई काम मुझे करके नहीं दिखाया बेटे स्क्रीन पे. You are just playing. I am watching you. ना आपने वर्कशीट पे काम किया ना ही आप कॉपी में काम कर रहे हैं.
चलिए बोलो टीचर आई एम डन. कौन सा टीचर बनानी है?
Very nice, Mifta. Well done.
Teacher बनानी है.
I will make it. Just wait. अभी हमारी सारे friends काम कर लें. You are having the interleaf page in copy, and in this copy you have the
Orange, yellow, green.
4 boxes.
Is
You are having
Here.
4 boxes in, na? So you can make the
I do one at the end. I do like one.
2 pictures in the class and 2 pictures in the homework. So first of all, we made 8. Okay? 8. It's a number 8. Can make it 8 and write the name of the picture downside. What is the name of picture? 8. E I E A P.
एक बना. एक बना. बना. हाँ. Good. Good.
Hassan is crying. What's happening, Hassan?
EIG. पेंसिल से लिखिए. Write it with pencil. HT 8.
And second picture, which are
चलिए
very
बताइए. पेंसिल कहाँ है?
easy. We are making here in the next box, that is I. First you make the curved line upside,
चलिए.
then you make the curved line downside and join together and make a circle on it
I.
and fill the color
बराबर तो बराबर में इतना पास लगे.
with the pencil because it's an eyeball and it is black in color.
बराबर में बिल्कुल बराबर में. हाँ. I.
And then you make eyelashes upside.
G.
It's very easy to make.
आसान है.
And after making, you have to write the name of the picture downside. What is the name of picture? I.
हाँ.
A.
Wow.
Yeah.
Laundry.
A. It's a I. If it is
I want
two, so we are writing eyes.
ऐसे चक्कर में बताती है ना,
लंबा सा ओवल सा बनाना। अच्छा अच्छा
ओवल बनाना होता है।
हम नीचे से आप बोल दीजिए। राउंड
आज क्यों आधे सर्कल
ब्राउन से बना दो ना, मोटा मोटा, जैसे आपकी ब्राउन आइज है। चलिए कलर कीजिए।
Yeah, so many different eyes do the blue color in the eyes, but the majority find the black in color. Shayan, you have a brown color eyes, brown eyelid.
Brown, green.
Yes, you have dark brown.
Okay, now do the dark brown color inside.
आप डार्क कलर आइज ना। मेरी थोड़ा सही मैटर नहीं आएंगे।
He is confused.
Black. So you can.
नो नो, इधर करिए, इसमें कर।
तो मार को लगा है।
Hassan, why are you not do the work?
Hassan is not doing any work. He just fighting with the bhaiya.
Mifta, where are you, bete? Why you not open your camera?
नो नो नो, जस्ट आई बॉल कलर करना है बेटा।
Mifta, any problem with your camera? Yes, open your camera now. That's a good boy.
To see you when you are doing work. Okay?
Okay, okay, okay. चलें जल्दी से work finish करना है.
चलो अब करो बीच में आया।
Oh wow, you did it. That's great.
गोल, छोटी सी गोल सी कलर।
मिफ्ता वहीं बैठ के हाई फाई दे दीजिए.
अब आए लिखिए यार।
मिफ्ता,
ऐसे लिखना है, ऐसे सही कर दो।
हाई फाई.
आपको दिख रहे हैं मिफ्ता?
जी
जी
नजर आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल. Thank you.
I think आपके कैमरे में ना टाइमिंग लगा हुआ है, वो खुद ही ऑफ हो जाता है।
नहीं बेटा,
हमारे पास
सही नहीं है बेटा। इसे
Mohammed Ali, where are you?
आई बनानी है।
Mohammed Ali, show me your face. Open your
मोहम्मद अली
camera,
मेरे ख्याल
Mohammed
में
Ali.
वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाए हैं।
वाई